Hi, I'm Jared from Sierra Nevada Residential. When I encounter a pellet stove or fireplace during an inspection, I always recommend that a qualified person clean and service the system to ensure safe and efficient functioning. Today I'm performing routine maintenance and cleaning on my pellet stove. I use this stove as my main heat source and it gets dirty very quickly, as you can see. This is 1 week and 3 bags worth of pellet ash. I noticed this morning that when I turned it on, there was a large buildup of smoke inside the unit, and the flame took much longer to ignite than normal. This is a result of a lack of oxygen to the ignition chamber. I loosened as much soot and ash from the interior chamber as possible. Once it's all loose, I clean the entire chamber with a small shop vacuum. My particular model suggests ensuring that the holes within the ignition chamber be thoroughly cleaned, so I use a small wire brush to clear any obstructions. Pellet stoves have a clean out arm, which I'm engaging now to dump any remaining ash into the collection drawer, which can easily be discarded. I also take this opportunity to wipe down the exterior with a warm, damp cloth to remove built up soot. A large buildup of soot around the door can lead to faulty operation in the future. Once the unit is cleaned and free from any obstructions, I can load the hopper with a new bag of pellets. Set the thermostat to the temperature desired. Then wait for the unit to create combustion in the chamber. Now that the stove's maintenance has been performed, I can safely enjoy the heat that this unit produces, along with the added benefit of ease of use. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.